So here's the umbrella.
No, they don't.
I bought it for tennis.
I've already seen people
Put it on the
get
chair
upset
here.
when I drop the ball short.
When you're sitting in it, it'll block your upper body.
Don't run
It's not going to block your lower body because the stem is, or the net is not quite
Well,
long
one
enough.
thing for sure, you watch tennis on TV, right?
But it connects real easy
Have you seen
to the chair.
anybody on this side of the
This right here,
court
it can go anywhere.
play to the satisfaction of the person on the other side of the court? Any ball,
Sitting above you.
anybody
When they out
hits,
here hitting,
no,
they
no,
do.
any,
You know, someone said the word.